Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our last topic is factor and multiplies. Now today's topic is prime and composite number. Definition of prime number: the number whose only factors are the factors of given numbers are 1 and itself called a prime number. If there are only two factors, first is 1, second is itself. 1 and itself are factor, then we called these prime numbers. Composite number: the number having more than two factors, 1 itself and any others. 1 itself and any others numbers are factor, then this called a composite number. Note: 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 cannot put in prime or composite both. 1 is different. Why? Let's take. We taking numbers, taking factors of these number, counting their factors and type prime or composite. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are our numbers. Now factor 1, number of factor 1, type not prime or not composite. Why? Prime number having two factors, composite number having more than two factors. Prime number having two factor, composite number having more than two factor, but here is a only one factor. So this is not prime or not composite. Minimum two factor required for prime and composite number. Minimum two factors are required for prime and composite number, one having only one factor, so this is not prime or not composite. Now 2, 1 can divide 2, 2 can divide 2. The number of factors is 2. If two factors, then this is our prime number. 1 can divide 3, 2 cannot, 3 can divide 3. There are two factors, so this is our prime number. 4, 1 can divide, 2 can divide, 4 can divide, more than two factor, so this is our composite. 5, 1 and 5 can divide 5, two factor. If two factor, then called prime number. 6, 1 can divide, 2 can divide, 3 can divide and 6 can divide. There are four factors. There are four factors. So this is our composite number. 7, 1 can divide 7, 7 can divide 7. Only two factors. If only two factors, then called prime number. Now 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. There are four factors, more than two. More than two means composite number. 9, 1, 3, 9. Three factors, more than two. More than two means composite. 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. Four factor, more than two. More than two means composite. Composite number. 11, 1 and 11. Only two factors. If only two factors, this is our prime number. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Total 6 factors. This is our composite number. This is our composite number. Now I am writing the prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and many more. And composite numbers are 1, 2, then 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12 and so on. These are our composite numbers. So let's take definition. Prime number, the prime number having only two factors, 1 and itself. If we are having more than two factors, then called composite number. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number, because 1 having only one factors. For prime and composite number, minimum factors required 2. So 1 is neither a prime or nor a composite number. If having only two factors, called prime number. If more than two, called composite number. These are our prime and composite numbers. By this table, I see only 12. Only 12 number. If we want to find prime number and composite number up to 100, then this table became so large. So we are taking another method for finding this. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next method. Now our next method is same method. First of all, we know that 1 is not prime, not composite number. Now next prime number is 2. Step first, prime number is 2. Let cut numbers which divided by 2. Let the cut numbers which divided by 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now we cut all the numbers which can divided by 2. All the even number will divided by 2. So we cut all the numbers which divided by 2. Now next number is 3. Next number is 3. Step 2. Prime number is 3. Let cut numbers which divided by 3. Now we will divide by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. Now next number is 4 is already cut, so next number is 5. Next number is 5. Step 3. Prime number is 5. Let cut numbers which divided by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we cut all the numbers which divided by 5. Next number is 6 is already cut, so next number is 7. Step 4. Prime number is 7. Let cut numbers which divided by 7. Now we will divide by 7. 7, 40, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. After 49, 56, 63, 70, 77. Now after 77, 84, 84, 91, 91, 98. So we will cut all the numbers which can divide by 7. Now next number is 8, 9, 10, 11. This is our 11. Step 5. Prime number is 11. Let cut numbers which divided by 11. Now 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. All the number already cut. Step 6. Now next number is 13. Prime number is 13. Let cut numbers which divided by 13. 13, 26, 39, 52. Now another is 65. After 65, 78, then 91. All the numbers already cut. By 11 we cannot find any number to cut. By 13 we cannot find any number to cut. So after 11 we will find all the prime numbers. Prime number is 11, 13. Now next is 17. Next is 19. Next is 23. After 23, 29. Then 31. 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 71, 73, then 79, 83, 89, 97. These are our prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so many more are our prime number. In these number, 2 is only one even prime number. Only one even prime number is 2. All other prime numbers are odd. 2 is our even prime number and others 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 all others are odd. So let's take beginning from this example. 1 is not our prime or composite number. So 1 will out from this table. We will find the prime number between 1 to 100. Find prime numbers up to 100. So 1 will be cut, the next number is 2, so 2 is our prime number. We can cut all the numbers which can divide by 2, this 4 and this 6 and these 8 and these 10 and these. Now our next number is number 3. So we will cut the number which can divide by 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 28, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39 and so on. 4 is already cut, then next number is 5. We will cut all the numbers which can divide by 5, this one and this one. These can divide by 5, so we will cut. 6 is already cut, so next number is 7. We will cut all the number divided by 7, we will cut. Now 8, 9, 10 is already cut, next number is 11. When we check the digits which are cutting by 11, no one digit is cutting by 11. So remaining are our prime numbers. Do not check after 11, the all remaining number are our prime number. So 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 and many more are our prime numbers. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our exercise. Now our exercise is exercise 3.2. Question number first. What is the sum of any two odd number. If we add two odd numbers, the answer is even number. Three plus 5 is equal to 8. 3 is odd, 5 is odd, but 8 is 11. Even. Next example, 11, 23. 11 is odd, 23 is odd. Answer is 34. 34 is even number. If we add two even numbers, the solution is even number. 2 plus 4. 2 is even, 4 is even. Answer is 6. 6 is also even. Let example 12 plus 24. 12 is even, 24 is even. Answer is 36. 36 is also a even number. Now question number 2. State whether the following statement are true or false. Check the statement. There are two true or false. First, the sum of three odd numbers is even. If we add three odd numbers, 3, 5, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 is over odd, not even, then this is false. Sum of two odd numbers, sum of two odd, this is two odd, and one even, then even. Two odd and even. Now 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 12, 20. 20 is even. So this is all true. If two odd, one even number, the answer is even. 3, 5, 8, 8, 12, 20. 20 is even. So answer is true. The product of three odd number is odd. Product of three odd number, 3, 5, 7. Now this is 7 into 5, 35. 35 into 3, 105. There are three odd number. The answer is odd. The answer is odd. So this is true. If an even number is divided by 2, if any even number divided by 2, 8 times 16, 0. The quotient is always odd. 0 is odd? No, 0 is even. So this is false. All prime numbers are odd. False. Prime number 2 is even. The prime number 2 is even. Take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next statements. Now our question number 2 state where the following statement are true or false. First, prime number do not having any factor. Prime numbers do not having any factor. Prime number having two factors. One and itself. So this statement is false. There are two factors, 1 and itself. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. Sum of two prime numbers, 2 is prime, 3 is prime. Answer is 5. 5 is even? No, false. Sum of addition of two prime number is always even. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is not even, so this statement is false. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, this is our true. All even numbers are composite number. Even numbers which can divided by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and many more. Now all even number are composite. These are composite, but 2 is a prime number, so this statement is false. 2 is even prime number, not a composite number. The product of two even numbers is always even. Product of two even numbers, 4 and 6. 4 and 6 are even. We will product these, multiply these. 4 into 6, 24. 24 is even. This is true. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another question in our another video. Thank you for watching this video.